Hi, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made a 20-pound weight vest for under $10 actually. For the weight vest, you're going to need an old backpack you won't use, some special sand, I'll show you a picture up here, duct tape, a trash bag or something durable you can put a lot of sand in, and optionally a belt. So now that you have your sand, you're going to try to measure it out and put around 2.5 pounds of sand into a plastic bag. It's okay if it's off by a few grams or ounces, it's fine. And once you put it in that little plastic bag, you're gonna zip it closed, put it in a trash bag, roll it in the trash bag, and then duct tape it, and it's not gonna like fall out the sand. I've done this for like 4 months now, and it hasn't ripped once. And it's in 2.5 packets, so you can adjust it a lot. And the reason you want to put a belt on is you want to put it on your hips right here and the belt too, so that when you're doing stuff like push-ups or maybe pull-ups, or if you're running, you could run with it, it won't really jiggle and fall off.